owner, baby. That's the owner of the Gixxer. I want to give a big thanks to this for the owner. So he said the ECU's flashed by more MAFIA, and it has a slip-on exhaust and a quick shift.
Alright.
in my life. I mean it. Like, I've never felt one with any other bike that I've ridden so quickly, babe.
She sounds so good,
The power is perfect.
Yeah.
It's the perfect amount of power. I love it. I love it. I've never ridden a bike with the more Mafia Flash, so it's pretty cool to do that.
Oh,
Thanks,
she's
bro.
beautiful.
Sorry for riding your bike so hard.
No, you can ride it harder if you want.
It's all good. Oh, man, that's fire.
Where it gets fun.
God.
All right, guys. Wow, that was amazing. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, guys, so here the owner, he's actually having me get back on the bike, and he told me he really wanted me to push it and really stretch out those gears, you know, hit power band all the way to red line. You know, it's not my bike, so I really wasn't trying to push it too hard. But, you know, once he gave me the green light, here we go. Big difference. Big difference.
Told you.
Yeah. The original owner, he was telling me I needed to let that power band. I said the original owner. The current owner.
The
Sorry
owner.
about that. Sorry, man. I guess I'm getting that attached to your bike. But anyway, the current owner, he told me that I really need to wind the gears out more to power band. That's why I took the bike back out, and he's not lying.
Yes.
Obviously. She almost feels like she's about to rip my arms out of the sockets. I love it. You know what I like the most about this too is when you launch it, it's not so much power that it feels like it's going to flip you off.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's perfect, man. I love this bike. The quick shifter, I've never ridden a Gixxer with a quick shifter, so that felt different. And you know, that's what kind of made me the first time want to shift a little sooner, is just not being so used to that.
Yeah.
I'm so used to getting off, you know, clutching it.
Yeah. Normal
But,
shifting.
yeah, he's right. You got to let that thing go over 9,000 RPM, and it's a done deal.
She sounds crazy over 9,000 RPM.
Right? Awesome. Hey, can I get some footage of you riding your bike?
Sure.
Awesome. And just, you know, you don't have to do anything crazy. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Hold on, I want to make sure this isn't going to sink in the dirt. I usually don't trust these too much. There's a lot of rock here, too.
Yeah.
So she's fine. She's not moving. Yeah, I'd love to see him ride his own bike.
Right?
Because that was amazing. I mean it. Talk about adrenaline rush.
Yes.
That just made my year. I mean that. That made my year. Wow, that was so cool.
I know
The
you
more
are
I ride,
so
man, the
pumped.
better I'm gonna get. You know,
Oh, of
we
course.
just need to, like all of us, we all need to just keep riding.
I agree.
Man, I wish I had some gloves, because then I would have been gripping better. Like,
Yeah.
You know, right now I got arm pump like crazy.
You could have borrowed mine.
Oh, yeah, sure. And I can't wait to see you ride your own bike.
I'm not that good.
Oh, it's all good, man. Man, I tell you, it was an honor riding this bike.
Oh, I know it was.
Wow! Dang! And this is one of the coolest guys in the world. Hey, if you guys are on the East Coast and you're looking for somebody to, you know, review your bike, I'm looking to review as many bikes as possible.
Hit us up.
Yes.
Hit us up. This is what we do. We love to ride.
Two-wheel family, baby.
Two-wheel family, baby.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, man, I'm trying to test ride and review as many bikes as I can on the East Coast. Also down to get some runs in if anyone, you know, wants to. We can head to Mexico. Wow! Whoa, whoa, yeah, that could have been dangerous. Wow! My gosh!
Crazy.
Right? Man, that's what I love about living in the country. No cops. You don't got to worry about nobody, guys.
Ain't gonna worry about nothing.
Right? Oh, and it's so sad, man, because our dog died. One of our dogs died last night. So this really means the world to me.
This does.
Yeah! Two-wheel family, baby! When you hanging out with us, you family. Just know that. Oh my goodness, man. This is what we live for. That was amazing.
That was awesome.
Right? Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Two-wheel family, baby! My boy Junior, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. This thing is a fire-breathing dragon. Let's go! That was amazing. Wow. That's all I have to say is wow.
Right?
Jeez. Guys, this is a work of art right here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful work of art.
This is a beautiful beast.
Thanks so much to the owner for coming out today. Definitely stay tuned for more content, YouTube. Peace.
Hey.
Ride safe, brother. Wow. Much love.
Gotta love our supporters.
Yep. Much love, y'all, from Two-Wheel Family.
Much love, guys.
Stay safe, all right?
Stay safe and stay tuned.
Oh, yeah. Until next time.
Next time.
Peace.